चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्थं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि आबाहुपुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रासिधारिणं सहस्रशीर्षं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम्. Rub your palms. Palms on your eyes. Look to your palms. Namaste. Very good morning. Welcome to the Hatha Yoga belt class. Quickly warm up with your wrist. Now move towards your face, palms facing to the face, rotation of the wrist, anti-clock, relaxed. Stretch your legs forward. Yeah. And move your legs up and down. Both the legs together. Cross your legs, press your knees down, lift the chest up, chin is up, shifting the weight forward, pressing the floor with your sit bone, chin is up, from here extend your hands forward, beyond your tip of the fingers, stretch forward, press down. Keep breathing Ujjayi. Throat breathing, ekam inhale, keeping your chin upward, pressing the lower back downward, be on the fingertips, Have your Ujjayi breath. Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, Trini inhale, Chatvari exhale, Pancha inhale, Shat exhale, drop the elbows down. Stay there. 1, drop the head softly downward, whether you reach to the floor or not, do not worry. Just drop your head down, surrender to the floor, surrender to the practice. Ishvara Pranidhana. It's a surrender to the sadhana. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, coming to cat and cow on the knees. Walk your hands forward. Palms, wrist, shoulder distance apart. Shoulder and wrist in line. Shoulder and wrist in line. Spread the fingers wider. Check the waist and the knee in line. Feet parallel to each other, hip distance wider, pointing the toes away. Now, sink the lower back from here, lift the chest and chin up. Drishti upward, breath normal, holding here. 1. Now, every exhalation, the lower back has to go more downward. 1. Press the root of the palm. 2, 3, 4, elbows do not bend. Elbows are not bending. 5, 6, 7. As you exhale, suck the navel in, rounding the spine, chin to chest. Keep pressing the tip of the fingers here furthermore. 1, 2, 3, the lip belt. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale and open the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Exhale, round the spine. Rajesh ji, keep your hands shoulder distance. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, open the chest. This is your last round. Chin is up. Every exhalation. While going into the posture, it is inhale. While holding the posture, every exhalation, you are pressing the root of the palm and sinking the lower back. Only when you exhale, allow the lower back to go down. 2, 3, few students are bending the elbows. That is not correct. Do not bend your elbows. 4 and 5. Exhale, rounding the spine. If you want to deepen the posture and if you want to become free, effortless in the posture, depth of your exhalation has to be accelerated, and hence the depth of your exhalation. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keeping your head there, tuck the toes, move your knees up just off the mat. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shift back, raise the tailbone, keeping your knees softly bent. Work on your upper back, chest shifting towards your thighs. Keep your heels off, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Straighten the knees. 1. Start pressing the heels. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look between your palms or the bricks. Hold here. 1. Look between your palms or the bricks. Those who are not carrying the bricks, after this you will carry it. Right foot step forward, Ashva Sanchalana. Bigger step forward. Right knee, right ankle, in line. Use your tip of the fingers. Lift the chest up. 1. Be on your tip of the fingers. Keep your leg distance wider apart. This leg is active, intense. Knee is straight. Heel is moving towards the floor. You are not putting the weight on your palms. You are not putting the weight on your bricks. Move up, hold it. Move up and hold the posture. If you are able to hold the posture, that means the distance between your right foot and left foot is correct. Now, shift slightly back to move your back foot forward. Shift slightly back to move your back foot forward. Get your back foot forward and extend your both the hands forward. Extending your both the hands forward, keeping your knees straight. Knees straight. You are not rounding the spine. Do not round the spine. Rashi, show me the round spine. Yes, you are not rounding the spine. You are extending the trunk by extending the hands forward. All your vital organs are present just back of the spine. Slowly, if you want to open the knees, you can open your knees, getting your inner thighs internally rotated, heels together, angusta together. Extend the hands slightly more forward, move to the chair position. Get into the chair position, raising your hands either forward or along with the ears. Now, straighten your knees, stand upright, raising your heels up. 1, 2, pressure internal foot. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Release your heels down. Close your eyes. Keep your hands besides the body. Roll the shoulders, lift the chest, lift the diaphragm. Awareness of the posture of Tadasana. See the weight without opening your eyes, taking the awareness to your feet, to the 4 balls of your feet. Do not move, please do not move. Keep your fingers wide apart, rolling the shoulders, suck the navel in, hold here. Awareness to the glute. Glute muscles are engaged internally, moving inward from the outward to the center. Upper thighs, knees are locked. Now open your eyes, fix your drishti. Fix your drishti, fix the gaze, find a point where you can fix the gaze. Now from here, open your both the hands to the sideways, namaskara to your heart center as you exhale. You are moving towards Surya Namaskar. Raising your both the hands high to the ceiling first before going to back bend. Before moving to back bend, I want you to extend from the sideways, go up, palms facing to each other. Now, from here, shift, lean back, shift the body weight forward and lean back, press the heels, keep your thighs engaged. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. As you exhale, extend slowly forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring your tip of the fingers to the brick. Ekam. Dve. Exhale. Drop the head down below the knee. Dve. Trini. Chatvari. Pancha. Shat. Sapta. Inhale, head up. Get your right foot step back to Ashwa Sanchalana. Bigger step back. Again, maintain your left knee and left ankle in one straight line. The pressure should not be at your hands. So, check your hands, move the hands up and see if you are able to balance the posture. So, this posture should be balanced without your hands. From here, move your front foot back to Dandasana. The lower back parallel to the floor, the shoulder and wrist in line. 1. Engage your core muscles at the navel. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Drop the knees, drop your chest. अष्टांग नमस्कार. 8 अंगों से नमस्कार करते हुए. Slide forward. Bhujangasana. In Bhujangasana, more than your back, your legs has to be closer to each other. The legs are moving away. The elbows are parallel to each other. Again moving away. Shoulder blades are together. Chin is up. Drishti forward. Whole body is engaged. And then slowly start moving up. Keeping your elbow halfway bent and hold. Root of the palm pressing to the floor, to the brick. 2, 3, 4, 5. Tuck the toes, move up. Move back, get the tailbone upward. Press your chest towards your thighs. Hold here. Drishti to navel. Do not round at your spine. Do not round at your spine. If you feel congested, bend the knees, press your chest. Bend your knees, press the chest. 2, 3, bend the knees, bend your knees, bend the knees, press the chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Getting your right foot step forward to Ashwa Sanchalan in one go. Smoothly. Holding here. 1, 2. Shift slightly back to move your left foot forward. Padahastasana, exhale. Palms to your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extend your both the hands forward. Lengthen it, spreading the fingers wider. Reach up before you lean back. Reach up properly, stretch up and then take a back bend. 1, 2, 3. Extend your both the hands forward slowly. 1, lengthening forward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your tip of the fingers down to the floor on the brick. Drop the head below the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward, left foot step back to Ashwa Sanchalan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold Dandasana. 1, 2, 3, 4. See that your pressure is going down, then move away from the floor. Press the root of the palm, shoulder moving away towards the ceiling. Drop the knees, drop your chest in on the ground, Ashtanga Namaskara as you exhale. Slide forward to Bhujangasana, inhale. Again, tuck out the toes, move your elbows, engage the shoulder blade engaged. Keep your legs active. Now start pressing the root of the palm to lift your chest. If you can move your navel off, you can do that. If you can move your navel off and make it this perpendicular, you can do that. Now from here, tuck the toes, moving to Parvatasana as you exhale. Moving to Parvatasana as you exhale. Keeping your heels on the floor is not the goal. First make it inverted V shape, a cone. a pointed cone upward like mountain, Parvatasana, keeping your feet together, 1, get your feet together, 2, 3, 4, 5, look forward between the bricks and get your left foot step forward, Ashwa Sanchalan, inhale, 1 step, 1 decision, balanced posture, 2, 3, back foot forward, 1, 2, 3, drop the head, now catch your ankle this time, get your ankle with your hands, bend your elbows, sink downward and move your hamstring upward, hamstring moving upward towards the ceiling, elbows are bending to the sideways, you are catching your angle and shift downward, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lengthen your hands forward before you move up. Lengthen your hands forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking a back bend. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Namaskara as you exhale. This is your 1 round of Surya Namaskar. Will speed up the Surya Namaskar. It's an excellent warm up as well. Round 2, Hastuttanasana, inhale, extend the hands up and take a back bend. Padahastasana, exhale, extend and do a forward bend. Right foot step back to Ashwa Sanchalan. Left foot step back, Dandasana. Drop the knees, drop your chest in on the ground, Ashtanga Namaskara, exhale. Slide forward to Bhujangasana, inhale. Parvatasana, exhale. Right foot step forward, Ashwa Sanchalan, inhale. Left foot step forward, Padahastasana, exhale. Extend the hands forward, Hastuttanasana, inhale. You can always do the cactus hand if you want. You can always practice cactus hand if you are feeling breathless. Padahastasana, exhale and fold. Left foot step back to Ashwa Sanchalan. Hold Dandasana, exhale Ashtanga, Bhujanga, inhale, Parvatasana, exhale, left foot step forward, Ashwa Sanchalan, inhale, right foot step forward, Padahastasana, exhale, Hastuttanasana, inhale and arch back. Namaskara, exhale, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, right foot Ashwa Sanchalan, left foot hold Dandasana, exhale Ashtanga, Bhujanga, inhale, Parvatasana, exhale, right foot Ashwa Sanchalan, left foot Padahastasana, extend the hands forward, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Ashwa Sanchalan, hold Dandasana, exhale Ashtanga, Bhujanga, inhale, Parvatasana, exhale, Ashwa Sanchalan, left foot Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Namaskara, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Ashwa Sanchalan, hold Dandasana, exhale Ashtanga, Bhujanga, inhale, Parvatasana, exhale, right foot Ashwa Sanchalan, left foot Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Ashwa Sanchalan, hold Dandasana, exhale Ashtanga, Bhujanga, inhale, Parvatasana, exhale, Ashwa Sanchalan, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Ashwa Sanchalan, hold Dandasana, exhale Ashtanga, Bhujanga, inhale, Parvatasana, exhale, Ashwa Sanchalan, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Ashvasanchalan, hold Dandasan, exhale Ashtanga, Bhujanga inhale, Parvatasana exhale, Ashvasanchalan, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Ashvasanchalan, right, hold Dandasan, exhale Ashtanga, Bhujanga inhale, Parvatasana exhale, right foot Ashvasanchalan inhale, we'll do the variation, drop the back knee down, press the root of the palm and try to lift the chest up, hold here, 1, 2, when you are dropping the knee down, make sure that your knee is not dropping at your hip. It has to go offline and then drop it, so that you are sinking your pelvis body down. 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here, tuck the toes, move the knee off. It is Padahastasana now. We have to move to Padahastasana. So take your back foot forward, shift. Get your ankle, catch the ankle, elbows are flexed outward and you are shifting downward with your front body, with your upper body you are moving downward. Lower body, the leg has to go upward, the hamstring has to go upward, the tailbone has to go up, tailbone has to go up. 1, tailbone has to go up, elbow has to be flexed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Extend your both hands forward as you inhale, lengthening forward, reach up, take a back bend, this time cactus hand so that you stay for longer. 1, have your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slightly up, 7, 8, 9, 10. Folding forward as you exhale, extend again forward, fold forward, catch the ankle, 1, 2, nose to knee, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Left foot step back to Ashvasanchalan, up you go, step back, drop the knee, check this, 1. This is another variation when you want to take a pause, when you want to work on the pelvis, you can do this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tuck the toes, move to Dandasan, step back with your front foot. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Drop the knees, drop your chest in on the ground called Ashtanga Namaskar. 8 अंगों से नमस्कार करते हुए. So whenever we are doing a sadhana, tapasya, we need the blessing of the universal power. The individual power has to meet universal power. Slide forward to Bhujangasana as you inhale. Now in Bhujangasana, move your palms off the brick and hold here. 1, 2. Why we are doing this? We are doing this to know the engagement of the body. So hands are free. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move your feet off now. Hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Release, move to Bhujangasana, lift it up, Parvatasana as you exhale. Tailbone is going upward, drishti can be to your navel. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Left foot step forward, Ashvasanchalan, inhale. Check your knee and ankle. Check the knee and ankle. So, get your foot slightly to the left side. When you are bringing your foot from back to forward, which foot is coming forward? That side it has to go. Right foot step forward, Padahastasana, exhale. Now, this time you will hug your leg from behind. So, you hug your legs like this. See, cross your hands from behind, catch the elbows, catching your elbows and keep pressing your tummy and chest towards your thighs. Surrender and unclutter all your negative thoughts which is coming and hurting the mind. Surrender to the posture. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Extend the hands forward as you inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking a back bend. 1, 2, 3. Namaskara as you exhale. Holding the posture, keeping your feet apart, hands apart. Sthiram Sukham Asanam. So, it's your, when your movement gets stopped, observation of the vibration. We'll shift to the belt sequence. Catch the belt. Now, how you need to carry the belt? You have to see that where you are comfortable. You want to open it, you can do that. But sometimes, holding the single belt will not have that power. It has to have a double. So, check if you want to take double one or the single one, decide. From here, you are sitting in Malasana and extending the hands upward. Sitting in Malasana, stretching the hands upward. So, see, this is not an asana. Normally, naturally, if you move 25 years or 35 years back, this posture was just a excretion posture, right? है कि नहीं? अभी अपन नहीं बैठ पा रहे. That is a different thing. Extending the hands upward, holding here. You are opening the chest. At the same time, you are working on your ankle. So, ankle joints are rusted because we are not able to do just a simple practice which helps to excrete and clean the body. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now, raise your heels, raise your heels, raise your heels, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come up, keeping your heels up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Release the heels down. Extend the hands backward, away from the ear. Backward, away from the ear. Keeping your legs parallel to each other. Check the legs now. Keep your feet parallel to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move the hands back, move your hands back, rotating the shoulder. Now, you have to hold in a position where I am not able to see the back line of the belt. 2, 3, 4, that you need to decide that how longer, how wider your belt should have. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. From here, shift downward, holding here, shift downward, bend the knees, shift down, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come up, inhale. Now from here, extending the hands upward, shifting to the left side, shifting to your left, shifting to your left. 1, opening the right side of the body. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Coming to the center, raising your heels up. 1, 2, 3. See your body weight is internal side. 4, 5, 6, 7. Releasing the heels down, shift other side. 1, 2. Press the foot and then extend the sideways. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Inhale, coming back to the center, getting into cactus hand. 1, cactus hand, bending your elbows flexed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, we will do the rotation, shifting to your right side, then into the center, moving to your left side, going to back bend, coming forward. Second round. While moving up, it is inhale. Going down, exhale. Fourth round, inhale. Exhale. Fifth round, inhale. Exhale. Change the rotation direction. 1. Forward bend, exhale. Back bend, inhale. Forward bend, exhale. Third round. Inhale. Exhale. Fourth. Inhale. Exhale. The last one. Inhale. And exhale. Sit down in Malasana. Namaskara to your heart center. Eyes closed. Namaskara to your heart center. So, when you are regular in your class, in your class, in your practice, in your activity, in your action, how it is going to help us? Now, if you see the movement of Surya Namaskar, why Surya Namaskar becomes so powerful? What is the reason? Why Surya Namaskar becomes so powerful? Why sun is powerful? It has heat, it has light. It has every time, the same time it comes up and it goes. So, it maintains a fixed period of time, does not change whether the there is a loss, there is a profit, there is a summer, there is a rain. No. So, your mind should be surrendered to the action. That is what we are trying to train you through the asana practice. If the mind is surrendered, if mind does not apply, if the ego is not working here, if you are just surrendered to the commitment what you have taken, the purpose of Surya Namaskar is fulfilled. Moving to other position, take your hands behind with the belt. Take your hands behind with the belt. Now, the belt can be shortened, belt can be short. So, take two fold. This is one and then second fold. Doing this, holding your belt and extending the hands away. You are working on the shoulders. 1, 2. So, body has to shift down, chin has to shift down, the drishti has to shift down. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now, from here, look here before you go into the posture. So, tuck your right knee, tuck the right knee and from here open the chest. The left chest has to open. Tuck your right knee. Right knee is tucked. 2, 3, 4. You can move your palms inside and more closer. You can move your hands more closer to each other to hold it and open the chest properly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale, coming back to the center, raise your both the hands up with the same distance now. Not, yes, correct, with same distance. Now, start moving downward. Get your head more down, go downward. You can raise the tailbone up. Raise your tailbone up, come on. Raising the tailbone up, head is moving downward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the last two, 11 and 12. Exhale, release, change, left knee tucked with your belt. Left knee will be tucked with the belt. Open the right side of the body towards the props. 2, the distance between your hands has to be reduced. Distance between hands to be reduced. Walk along with the belt. Walking along with the belt. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Inhale, come back, exhale, release, stand upright, standing upright. Now, your basic posture is done. We will go into the asanas and will understand what is the use of the belt, why we are using the belt. For this, you will move into Virabhadrasana 1 position. Virabhadrasana 1, position of warrior. So, your hands are extending. Check the knee and ankle in one straight line. The back foot is extending back. You are keeping your hip square and from here extending the hands up. Now, this posture has to be done with the belt. Keep your belt and loop of the belt to your left foot. So, create the loop in your belt. Take it before you bend the knee. Keep your knee straight. Bend your elbow first. Take the hands back. Elbows are close to the body. Straighten the front knee. Keep the distance right. You know the posture very well without the belt. Now, the same posture we are doing it with the belt to understand what is counter energy, because we always forget about the counter energy to work in. Now, from here you will start bending the knee. Get your knee down, knee and ankle in line, and extend the hands upward. Stretch the hands upward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last 2, 8 and 9. Inhale, come back, exhale, release. Understood? The counter energy with the belt, the resistance of the belt, check. Other side. Change the leg. Check the leg. Getting your other foot forward. The left foot is forward, the right foot is back. Keeping your feet offline distance, getting your hip square. First turn to me, wait my dear student, wait now. Turn to me, get your hip square, get your elbows close to each other. Elbows close to each other. Walk your hands behind. Walk the hands downward. Walk the hands downward. Open the chest, keeping your knees straight. Elbows pointing to the ceiling. Now from here, fix the drishtis, sink down. Sink down, bend the knee. Ankle straight, hands straight. Hands are moving upward. Slowly, step by step. Understand the resistance with the belt. Sink down, lift up, extend up. Sinking down, extending up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, come up, exhale, relaxed. Have your breath coming to the center of your mat. Close your eyes. Okay, next movement, moving to Trikonasana. Trikonasana, right foot, I'll show you Trikonasana. You need to learn the posture name because it is so difficult to talk more. So, Trikonasana is medium stance, right foot is turning to the right side, opening your both the hands and then shifting to the right, moving your right palm below the knee and extend the left hand upward. Do not shift the weight. Do not shift weight down and back. Move up, maintain the plane of the position. Plane means आगे पीछे नहीं होना, same plane में होना है, same plane. This is same plane, correct? It is not slant. The body is not going slant. Now, with the belt, you are practicing Trikonasana. There will be slight change. Put the loop in your right foot and get your left hand downward as much as possible. पहले लेग वाइड कीजिए. मैंने दिखाया त्रिकोणासन आपको. और पैरों का डायरेक्शन, राइट फुट टर्निंग आउट, टेक दिस लेफ्ट लेग बैक. लेफ्ट फुट टर्निंग इनवर्ड, heel outward. Done. Now left hand is forward. Left hand is forward. Your left hand is forward to the belt. Now from here, extend the left hand outward, outward, upward, out, up, over the head, parallel to the floor. Hands parallel to the floor. Hands not going up. Dilip, hands ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है. Parallel. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take your which hand? This is your right hand. Right hand inside the right heel. Right hand inside the right heel. Go there. 2. Move away. 3. Hands not moving up. Hands moving forward. 4, 5, 6, 7. You do not lose your belt. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Inhale and come back. Exhale, release. Wait 1 minute, I'll show you the mistake. देखिए ये हाथ पैरेलल है या थोड़ा पैरेलल से ऊपर है, ये हाथ कहाँ गया? मैं मना कर रही हूँ ना पैरेलल करने के लिए, मैंने ऊपर हाथ करने के लिए मना किया है. सो दिस वन वी हैव टू डू इट. ये नहीं करना है, ये नहीं करना है, हाथ ऊपर नहीं करना था. चलिए दिखाइए एक बार हाथ कैसे ऊपर, ये नहीं करना था. रिलैक्स्ड. चेंज द साइड. टर्न द लेफ्ट फुट. इधर इधर इस साइड से कीजिए. लेफ्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड, कीप द लूप. लेफ्ट फुट इज फॉरवर्ड, कीप द लूप. यस. गेट योर 1 minute, get your feet properly aligned. अब सब लोग एक ही डायरेक्शन में करेंगे. लेफ्ट फुट इज फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द ओम. लेफ्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द ओम. चेंज द हैंड, होल्ड द बेल्ट. Change the hand, hold the belt. Change your hand. Right hand down. Right hand is down. All of you turning to the prop side. Now from here, extend the hand forward. Forward hand. Forward hand. Forward hand. That's it. That's it. 1. Upar nahi. 2. 3. Good job. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Shift the weight down with your right foot and forward with your left hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Inhale, slowly come back, exhale, release. What is the resistance we were talking about, or what did you experience? The resistance. Sit down, relax. I want to understand that कि अपन क्या कर रहे थे. How this belt is helping and why are we using that equipment? What we are trying to understand with the belt? Are we not following without belt? हम तो करते हैं ना belt. बिना belt के भी तो करते ही है. Belt क्या help कर रहा है? How it is helping? वेरी गुड. द फर्स्ट टाइम एवरी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच हो रहा है. ठीक है, ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच का कोई गोल नहीं है, कोई गोल नहीं है अपना ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच करने का. पोस्चर परफेक्ट हो. हाँ, एक तो गाइडलाइन मिल रहा है. जैसे मान लीजिए कि ये लाइन खींचा है ना, तो क्या गाइडलाइन मिल रहा है कि अपने को मैट को इसी बॉक्स के अंदर रखना. ये गाइडलाइन हमें बेल्ट देता है. बिकॉज आप बेल्ट को यदि अच्छे तरीके से हैंडल नहीं कर पाएंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि मेरा पोजीशन जो है वो बॉक्स में फिट नहीं हो रहा. तो बेल्ट एक गाइडलाइन आपको देता है. उस गाइडलाइन के हिसाब से आप अपने दूसरे वाले लेग को पहचान पाते हैं कि मेरा दूसरा वाला लेग कितना एफर्ट डालेगा. सपोज यू क्लाइंब अ ट्री, ओके, एंड देयर इज अ रेनी सीजन. व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू क्लाइंब द ट्री? व्हाट हैपेंस? वी स्टार्ट स्लिपिंग डाउन. देन व्हाट वी डू इट? वी स्टार्ट ग्रैबिंग इट मोर टाइटली. सेम वे व्हेन आई हैव गिवन यू द बेल्ट, इफ यू are holding with the belt, you will find that the posture is not fitting. You start grabbing properly and that gives you the knowledge. And many times I keep telling that use the weight on your left foot to access the posture to the right side. You are doing your right side posture but shift the weight to your left. With this belt, automatically without instruction you will be doing it how you are doing it with the tree, so that you do not fall from the posture. Come back to the Parivritta Trikonasana. Standing upright. एलोवेरा गर्म पानी में डाल के बनाएंगे. ठीक है. Now in Parivritta Trikonasana, your belt will be in the front foot. अब परिवृत्ता त्रिकोणासन क्या है? Keeping your feet mat distance apart and hip is square. So आप करना शुरू कीजिए. करिए. दोनों पैरों को, hip is not turning, keep your hip towards me. दोनों पैर ऑफलाइन, यहाँ से आपका बेल्ट यहाँ है. अब कौन सा हाथ से बेल्ट पकड़ेंगे, दैट यू नीड टू डिसाइड. राइट हाथ नीचे, लेफ्ट हाथ नीचे जाएगा और दूसरा वाला हाथ ऊपर जाएगा. दूसरा वाला हाथ ऊपर जाएगा. यूज द ब्रिक. यूज योर ब्रिक. पुट योर हैंड ऑन द ब्रिक. Opposite hand on the brick. And same hand will use the belt because the belt is moving upward. Same hand. The right hand is moving up. Opposite hand downward on the brick. मैं right और left इसलिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ because आप confuse हो जाते हैं. Opposite वाला हाथ नीचे, same hand ऊपर. Leg change कीजिए. Change your leg. Right foot is forward. 2, 3 and push the palm upward direction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep your belt straight. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Inhale, slowly come back. Exhale, release. What is the benefit? Suppose you do not access the posture properly. Still, you are using your intelligence to get into the posture. That is called involvement. We want a person to be involved in whatever activity you are involved. When you are cooking, you are involved in the cooking. That is what yoga is. Change the side. Take your left foot forward. The right foot is back. Apply the intelligence. Keep the belt. Same hand to the belt. Opposite hand to the brick. Same hand. Brick. Keep the brick inside. Yeah, now do. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. बेल्ट पीछे मत रखिए, बेल्ट आगे ही रखिए. बेल्ट को अपने चेस्ट के सामने से ऊपर लेके जाइए. Keep your belt in front of the chest and then move up. Last 9, 10, 11 and 12. Inhale, slowly come back. Exhale, release. Turn to the mirror side. Turning to your mirror side. Turning to the mirror side. We are practicing Prasarita Paduttanasana, our twist. Keeping your legs wider enough. Keeping your legs wider enough. Turn the toes inward. Put your loop in the right foot. Loop in the right foot. Loop in your right foot. Now from here, extend the left hand to the right belt. Extend the right hand, left hand to the right belt. Hold there and start moving the, sorry, I'll take belt and I'll see how it is. Now from here, taking your right hand to the left ankle. Right hand to the left ankle from back side. Right hand to the left ankle from the back side. And move your left hand back of the body to open the chest. Left hand, the rope back of the body. Right elbow bending down. Right elbow bending down. Hand and belt behind the body. 1, 2, right elbow sinking down. 3, 4, be in the center position. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, center position. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, raise the belt. 16, 17, raise, 18, hands here. 19, 20, 21. Inhale, come back, exhale, release. 1 minute. No. So, do and take this shoulder. So, your hands will go up. Take it up completely. Come further up. Yes. Yeah. Now start sinking down with your hand. Yes. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Exhale, release. Sometimes I am too fast to make you understand, is it? Okay, change the side. Changing your side. Take the loop in your left foot. See, your left foot is strong enough to hold it. Now, take the right hand to the belt. Right hand to the belt. Left hand going to ankle. Going to ankle. Left hand to the ankle. Move your hand upward and open the chest. Moving the hand upward and opening the chest. Holding here. Sink down. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down without moving anything. Sit down, get your feet closer to each other and sit down. Namaskara to your heart center. You are turning to the mirror. Namaskara to your heart center. Hold here. Your belt is in the left foot. Turn, front side, dropping the knees. Your loop is in the left foot. Let it be. Keep it slightly tight. Yeah. From here, coming to Marjory cat and cow. Marjory cat and cow. Marjory cat and cow. You will be doing Ekapada Marjory. So, tightening the belt. Now, once this is done, your one hand, the right hand, will go back. The right hand goes back. Hold the belt by lifting the foot and move this knee away, upward. 1, 2, 3. देखिए कौन सा हाथ नीचे है, कौन सा हाथ नीचे है, लेफ्ट हाथ नीचे है, लेफ्ट फुट ऊपर है, लेफ्ट फुट में बेल्ट, लेफ्ट हाथ नीचे है, राइट हाथ पीछे है. टेक योर राइट हैंड बिहाइंड टू कैच योर लेफ्ट foot or left belt. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back, exhale, release. Now on your knees, coming on the knees, आप करेंगे ऊष्ट्रासना बेल्ट के सहारे. लेफ्ट फुट में ही आपका लूप है. Your loop is in the left foot. We'll take the right hand back and left hand on the left heel. First we'll lean and then from here we'll shift. First we'll lean and we'll then shift and extend the hand behind. Got my point? From here, take your left palm on the left heel. Left palm on the left heel. Shift forward. Lean back, Ustrasana position. A very good, excellent posture for the chest opening and the good heart, big heart, for giving to the planet. The goal has to be the planet goal, the global. World has to be healthy, free of disease. The joy and happiness, sharing the joy and the happiness to the world is the goal. Last 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back, exhale, release. Relaxed, change the foot. Belt in other foot. आप स्टार्ट करेंगे मर्जरी कैट एंड काउ से. From there you will do the twist. Put the belt properly, place your hands. You need to find out the right placement of your hands. Right hand is down, the left hand goes up. Get your left hand behind. Hold the belt properly, grab the belt properly, and then from here, once you catch it, you have to move your knee up and open the chest. 2, 3, 4, हाथ जितना नज़दीक है आप उतना करेक्ट हो. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Exhale, release. Sit down in Vajrasana. Check the breath. Get into the breath back of your normal breath before you move to the next asana. Close your eyes. Now, lean. Hold the belt. Same hand leaning, same hand on the heel, same hand on the heel, other hand on the belt. Catch with other hand. From here, open the chest. Rotate the shoulder, move it back, behind, shift forward, lean back, shifting forward, leaning back. 2, 3, extend the hand. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Exhale, release and relaxed. We will, that class, yeah. From here, the sideways posture on the knees, your one leg will open up. The leg which is opening is right leg. The leg which is opening is the right leg. Again, put the belt. All of you turn to the mirror side. Turning to the mirror side, you are standing on the left knee, check the left foot. Standing on the left knee, check the left foot. Left knee, left foot, in line, turning to the mirror, taking the right foot out, taking the left hand to the belt. Left hand to the belt. Catching the left hand to the belt. From here, extend the hand forward and up. Side stretch, opening the chest properly. Side stretch. 1, 2. The belt will not go up. My dear student, the belt does not go up. It is shifting to me. Right leg is opening. Abhishek ji, right leg is opening. 2. So this is stretch. If you take the hands up again, stretch gone. 4, 5, फिर से mistake कर रहे हैं राजेश जी. 6, turning the right foot inward. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Inhale, come back, exhale, release. Breathe in. Breathe out with your mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out with your mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out with your mouth. Release, relax, change the side. Left leg out. Right knee standing. Left foot outward. Left foot to the rope wall. Turning the left foot inward. Turning the left toes inward. Now, take your hand first closer to belt. Which hand? Right hand. Right hand, take it as much as close. Now from here, extend the hand first to the rope wall because your hand has to go towards the rope wall. Yes. Now from there, you are stretching, opening the chest. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, छोड़िए 18, नीचे जाइए 19, 20 and 21. Inhale slowly, come back, exhale, release. Knee straight होना चाहिए, इसीलिए आप इतना नीचे चले गए. आपके पास brick है, you can always hold the brick. Yes. अब आते हैं sitting position में. Side stretch हो गया. Coming to sitting position. The loop. Your right foot is forward in the center of your mat. Take the right foot forward in the center of your mat. Do not miss the instructions. Quickly flow with the instruction like how you are flowing in Yoga Nidra. Take the loop, create the loop slightly bigger. Bigger loop, change the hand. Take the left hand forward, catch the loop. Left hand forward, catch the loop. Left hand forward, catch the loop. Now, hold this, bend the knee. Lift chest, bend the knee. Press your left knee down, bend the right knee. Pull the left elbow, bending. Bend the left elbow, hold here. B is square trunk. Drishti fixed, hold. 2. Now from here, straighten the leg without losing your elbow, straighten the leg. Kick the heel, move your foot off the ground. Moving your foot off the ground, 2, 3. Why I want you to hold the loop? Not this, not this. Naveen ji, change foot, this belt. You need to hold the loop. Keep twisting, lifting, twist and lift. Twist, not shifting back. Do not shift back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release down. Extend your other hand forward, bend your elbow outward. Outward bend, shift forward. Chin forward, chin up. Shift down as you exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check the foot. Foot is square. 11, 12. Inhale, coming back, exhale, release. Now from here, take the other end of the belt, other hand, the right hand on the left knee, right hand on the left knee. From here, extend the belt slightly higher and take it back. Shoulder rotation, twist, shoulder rotation, opening the chest, opening of the chest. Shoulders moving back, hand is moving back, the belt is moving back, back of the body. 2, 3, 4, 5, hold here. 6, twist backward, twist to the rope wall, turn, completely turning. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Inhale, come back, exhale, release. Relaxed, have your breath. Cross your both the legs. Close your eyes. Crossing legs, closing eyes. Breathe, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Three more rounds, breathe in. And breathe out. Last one, breathe in and breathe out. Change the leg. Left knee is straight, left leg is forward. Right knee bending, right knee is more wider than your 90-degree, right hand is forward. Right hand forward, left hand back. Right hand is forward, left hand is back. Right elbow flexed, moving to the right side. Right knee bending, left heel kicked, left ankle is square. Left toes square. Twisting to the mirror, twisting to the mirror. Tip of the fingers, you are using the tip of the fingers to twist. Opening the chest, rolling the shoulder. As you move back, move the shoulder, turn behind. Last 5, 4, 3, Manish, you are holding more closer. You move to the straight line. 3, 2, and 1. Take your left hand forward, catch the belt. Do not shift forward. Be parallel line, be perpendicular line to the floor. Now from here, flex the elbow, now shifting forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From here, take your left hand to the right knee, left hand to the right knee, right hand forward to the belt. Slowly take the arm, right arm over the ear, over your ear, extend the hand, shift forward to stretch the hand back. Open the chest, twist back. Opening your chest, twist back. Use the belt properly, mindfully. The hand has to go back to the mirror. The hand has to go back to the mirror. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Shift down to take the belt out. Release. See, so you can see what has to be done. If you stretch more, there is loose. Twist will reduce. So what we are doing, we go down from here without stretching further to the belt. We shift down and then open it. While coming out again, you have to shift and then come out. Okay. Both the legs forward. Loop to your feet. Auntie, detox de dijiye. 3 feet together, heels together, toes together. Loop to your feet. Catch your belt with both the hands, and from here get your tummies on your thighs, tummy on your thighs. Shift forward, forward, stretch the leg. Shift forward, do not lose the elbow. Keep your elbows bent. Shift forward, flex the elbow outward, chin up, drishti forward. Fix your gaze. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now from here again bend the knees, shift upward. Now take the right hand, move the brick back of your body. Take the brick back of the body. Shift. Shift back in such a way where you can lift the chest. Wait, wait, wait. Shift back. You are not lifting. Shift back first. Lean back. Now from here. Your center of the sit bone is on the floor. Kick the heel. Lengthening your leg upward slowly. You are not straightening the leg. Keep your thighs close to the tummy. Kick the heel. Flex your elbow. I want your elbow to be flexed. Flexed and then extend the leg upward. You are in V shape. Cone. 2, 3, 4. Elbow can be out now. 5. Drishti to Angushtha. Angushtha Drishti fixed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Start bending the knees, keeping your thighs together, keeping your heels together. Flex the elbow, keep your elbow closer to your thighs. Start bending the knee, be halfway, the lower leg parallel to the floor. Keep lifting the chest, diaphragm shifting forward. And then slowly bend the knees, release the knees, release your heels down. Relaxed. Cross the legs. Press your palms on the knees, folding forward. Shift to the right side. Drop the left shoulder downward, twisting. Right chest opening, left shoulder downward. Under the armpit, belt is under the armpit. See, the hands are forward, not back. Slowly you are straightening your leg. Hold here. This is a variation of Ubhaya Padangushthasana. Ubhaya is upward. Padangushthasana, when we hold Angushta with the fingers. This is a variation of it with the belt. 2. Keep lifting the chest. 3. Use minimum support of the floor. 4. Drishti forward, fixed 2 Angushta. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shoulders are relaxed. 10. Now keeping your right foot on. Right foot is on. Take the left leg down. Right foot on. Left leg down. Point the toes of your left foot. Pointing the toes, left foot, kick the right heel. Now extend your both the hands forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Shifting forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Take the left foot in, feet, heel, toes together. Shift forward, tip of the fingers on, chin up, eyes closed. Divya Drishti, Ajna Chakra, eyebrow center, gaze. Inner Drishti, eyes closed. this time you will not open the eyes. Just release the right leg out. Keep your eyes remain closed. Do not worry about the perfection. Worry about the sense organ. The fingers has to move back. The left foot has to reach up. Keeping the eyes closed. Use the muscles memory to reach to the posture. The left leg is going up. The right foot is down. Right toes are forward. The hands are forward. Hold here. Spread the fingers, hand and your foot in line to each other. The chest is opening. Head can drop down. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, will not release the position of the belt, will come slightly forward. Anything obstacles between your body to lie down, the brick or anything else, remove that, shift downward so that you find the right place of your head. And then from here, get your elbows down, get the elbows down, hold the posture, get your elbows down, hold the posture, and then from here, shoulders down, drop the head. Pointing the right toes downward, keeping your left leg upward, left heel kicked. Find the stretch at your left leg hamstring. You can bend the right knee if you feel too much pressure in your left leg. You can bend your right knee, or if the left leg is not getting straight, you can always bend the right knee. Take the right foot and join the left. Bend your legs first. Take the right foot, bend your legs. Join the left foot, keeping your body straight, heel pointing upward, lower back pressing downward to the floor. Trunk is relaxed to the floor. The posture is Viparit Karani. Excellent posture for your heart. Excellent posture for your heart. Also for the physical posture. To achieve effortlessly, we need to work on the hamstring, quad to protect the knees, ligament and cartilage. The ligaments are the wire which is to the side of your knees to protect the movement, to enhance the mobility, and also these ligaments join two bones. The lower leg and your upper leg is joined by the ligaments. Then there is a cartilage between your knees. There is a cushion so that the rubbing should not disturb the knee health. Changing the leg, the left leg goes down, the right foot is up. A very common mistake which happens with the other leg is start sleeping. You don't have to sleep your other leg. Take other leg active. Your foot. Active leg can be achieved by getting your awareness to the foot. Awareness to your foot. Angushta turning inward so that your foot is controlled. We'll shift to the most relaxing movement with the belt. Now release the right leg and kindly sit down. Take the belt back of your head and put it to the ear. इसके ईयर के ऊपर नहीं रखना है, ये जो फ्लैप है ईयर का, सर सुरेश जी यहाँ रखिए, ईयर को बंद नहीं करना, आपको अपने कान को बंद नहीं करना. हाँ, रख लिया. नाउ ओनली वन लेग, द राइट लेग. See your belt is properly holding the body. Now from here you go down in such a way so that you are above the floor, above the floor. Pointing the left toes forward. Release the hands. Rajesh bhai, release the hands. हाँ, hands नीचे. Eyes closed. Relax the whole body. Relax the whole body. The practice is firmly rooted. The practice becomes dridh. Dridh practice is achieved or nourished by the long-term commitment, the Dirgha Kala practice. The practice becomes dridh by Dirgha Kala practice. If you continue the practice for long time, then effortless in your asana is reached by infinite blissfulness. Yoga is not an activity. Yoga is a karma. Yoga is a dharma. Yoga is a tapas. Yoga is union. Yoga is life. Yoga is a spirituality. Yoga is health. Yoga is wealth. And yoga is well-being. Change the leg. It is a transformation. It gives you the new birth to live life happily. the last 10 minutes are very important to get the outcome of whole 90 minutes of your class. It is like the maw of the freedom, the shanti, the silence, the liberation, enlightenment. Again, the progression without any expectation. Do not carry the expectation of losing weight, coming out of sickness. Definitely these benefits you will get, but without any expectation, if you continue the journey, it's just a union of Ida, Pingala, the sun, the moon, which takes you to the world of highest potential with activation of Sushumna Nadi, the central powerhouse located at your spine. Release your left leg, eyes remain closed, release the head, toes are flopping to the sideways, the hands are away from the body.